This winter storm is about to get much worse, and the amount of snow and ice coming is honestly insane. Over the next few days, up to 2 feet of snow and over 1 inch of destructive ice will impact parts of the United States. What makes this storm truly stand out isn't just how intense it is, it's how widespread and long-lasting the impacts will be. This storm is expected to affect over 150 million people, stretching across the southern half of the country, from Texas all the way to the East Coast, where snow and ice will overlap in extremely dangerous ways. States of emergency have already been declared in Texas, Kansas, Missouri, Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Kentucky, Tennessee, Alabama, Georgia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Virginia, and New York ahead of this storm. In some areas, infrastructure damage could last weeks, possibly even months. And snow and ice are not the only dangers. Life-threatening wind chills well below zero will spread from the north-central United States down into central Texas, while the northern plains and Midwest will experience extreme cold, with wind chills plunging past 60 degrees below zero. Today, I'm going to break down exactly what you need to know about this very dangerous winter storm that's about to slam the United States.
Let's start with the current watches and warnings, because the scale of this storm is massive. Winter storm warnings, shown in pink, stretch over 2,000 miles from Boston, Massachusetts, all the way back into New Mexico. This includes New York City, and right now, over 100 million people are under winter storm warnings. Ice storm warnings are also in effect for southeast Texas, just outside of Houston, Shreveport, areas just southeast of Memphis, and extending toward Atlanta, Georgia, and Charlotte, North Carolina. These areas could see over ½ an inch of ice, with more than 1 inch possible, which could lead to catastrophic infrastructure damage and widespread power outages. We also have winter storm watches in dark blue and winter weather advisories in lighter purple. This is shaping up to be a major high-impact winter storm.
Now let's talk about timing, starting with what's happening tonight. Freezing rain and snow are already ramping up across the southern plains. Freezing rain and sleet currently stretch from North Texas into southern Arkansas, while heavier snow bands are developing near Tulsa, Oklahoma City, and Topeka, Kansas. As we move deeper into the overnight hours, this system will rapidly intensify and expand. If you're in Little Rock, snow will become significantly heavier overnight. Memphis will also see snow ramping up. Meanwhile, freezing rain and sleet will continue across northern Mississippi, southern Arkansas, and the entire Dallas-Fort Worth area. By Saturday afternoon, snow spreads into Kentucky, Tennessee, and Illinois, while heavy freezing rain ramps up along the Mississippi River, especially near Monroe, Louisiana, and Shreveport. These areas face a serious ice storm threat, with over 1 inch of ice possible through Sunday, creating extremely dangerous conditions. This first wave is actually the less significant part of the storm. The second wave, developing over the Rockies on Saturday, will turn this into a massive winter storm by Saturday night. As the second wave forms, moisture from both the Gulf and Pacific fuels widespread winter weather. Moderate to heavy snow develops in Oklahoma City, Amarillo, and Lubbock, while freezing rain stretches across nearly all of Tennessee and even into San Antonio, Texas. Ice accumulation begins in Austin, and Shreveport enters full ice storm conditions. By Saturday night into early Sunday, one huge winter storm will stretch from Texas to Delaware and Maryland. The Carolinas face a dangerous ice storm, the same region impacted by Hurricane Helene 2 years ago, with up to 1 inch of ice and potential week-long power outages. Along the Mississippi River, ice accumulation could cause widespread power outages as early as Saturday night, with some areas potentially without power for over a week. By Sunday morning, areas like Dallas-Fort Worth, North Texas, and Little Rock transition from ice to snow, and this snow will be much heavier than what the Northeast sees. Snowfall rates could reach 3 to 4 inches per hour in Texas and Oklahoma, while the Northeast sees 2 to 3 inches per hour due to warmer temperatures. By late Sunday morning and early afternoon, heavy snow stretches from Little Rock to New York City, with the heaviest bands impacting New Jersey, northern Kentucky near Louisville and Cincinnati, and Washington, D.C. Ice continues along the Mississippi River, with places like Vicksburg, Memphis, and Tupelo possibly receiving over 1 inch of ice. Atlanta could see over half an inch of ice, leading to widespread power outages lasting several days.
By Sunday afternoon, heavy snow hits the Ohio Valley, including Columbus, Cleveland, and Cincinnati, and spreads across Pennsylvania. Southern New England, including Connecticut, Rhode Island, and Boston, becomes the snowfall jackpot, with 1 to 2 feet of snow possible over about 36 hours, and snowfall rates reaching 3 to 4 inches per hour. Sunday night, snow transitions to freezing rain in Washington, D.C., Philadelphia, and New York City, while Virginia and North Carolina see increasing ice accumulation. By Monday morning, most winter weather winds down, with lingering light snow in New England before the storm fully ends by Monday night. Snow totals include 10 to 15 inches from Oklahoma to southern Ohio, up to 15 inches near Tulsa, 3 to 6 inches in Memphis and Nashville, 10 to 14 inches near Louisville and Cincinnati, 18 to 20 inches possible in Boston, 1 to 2 feet across much of the Northeast. Ice totals include 1/4 to 1/2 inch across Tennessee, Kentucky, and the Mid-Atlantic, 3/4 inch or more near Paris, Texas, and southern Arkansas, over 1 inch near Tupelo and Vicksburg, with power outages lasting over a week possible. This is shaping up to be one of the most intense winter storms in the last 5 years. Stay prepared, stay safe, and keep checking for updates.